Getting ready to do a couple of cool archways. There's going to be a wedding here. We got how many days left, Mike? We got 9 days.
9 days.
Mr. Mike over there is going to say I do. His life will be different forever. I'm going to offload all these logs and we'll sort them, and then I'll just fork the other archway up there. In the morning we got a big reach coming all the way from Canab, all the way over the mountain to set these puppies. So let's get them unloaded. We got all the logs off. Now we just got to sort them in sizes and make sure we put them together in pairs. One set's a little bigger than the other. 18 to center. Show us that sign Shane built. Oh yeah. Let's pack it up and see how it's going to sit on that log. It's going to go right on here like this. We're getting ready to cut the notches in this. We've found cinder, went 9 feet, we're 18 foot on the holes. So it'll give us about a 16-foot opening. 89 build. Shane and Sean at 89 Built are going to be building the gates. They're the ones that did this awesome Woods Ranch logo. Check them out on YouTube, 89 Build. Shane and Sean Frost, they do awesome metal work. We're always ganging up on different jobs. So I'm going to notch these out, and then we're going to show you how we band these things and get them ready for the reach. We used to do these in one big 10-foot band. It was really hard to get the band underneath that, so I've been cutting them in half, and then this will just roll around and attach to the header log. We'll go ahead and set this log down with that band facing the ground. We'll get that one notched, then we'll put the header in place. That works good. And so now we got the banding on. Matt and Hunter's got all that done. So now I just gotta take this smaller log. I'm making some 45 corbels. They go in each corner, left and right. And this archway is gonna get way more exposure than the other one. The other one's gonna be hidden by trees, but everyone going up 14 right here, thousands, tens of thousands of cars every year is going to see this archway. We want it to look really nice. Get 89 Build sign on there, it's going to look pretty cool.
got a question.
Yes.
When we build this one, how are we gonna get it to that other side?
I'm gonna go load them up and I'm gonna haul them over there before we build it.
Is there enough room to even build it right there?
I don't know, it's gonna be tight. Do you want to bring your truck down, Hunter, and we'll load all these tools in the back and I'll start shuttling logs. And then we say a little prayer and hopefully when the reach picks it up and hauls it clear down there, it stays together. There is no way. Look how narrow this lane is. That header log's wider than the whole lane. I'm thinking if I put this ratchet strap around them, I can just skid them. That's probably the only way to do it. Here, hang on to that, would you? Well, I'm thinking if we hook the strap on like that, hook it over the headache rack, and then I can just back up the lane and stay uphill from the logs. Because when I let these go, it's gonna roll.
Put them on the trailer and then drive your trailer up through and we can offload them there and then we can bring your trucks back down.
You can barely.
We can pull up on the highway and you can offload them off the highway.
Got archway number 2 done, got the banding on, got the corbels in, and we got the reach coming in the morning. I'm thinking it's only going to take us a couple hours to knock these out tomorrow. It'll take the reach longer to drive here and get back than it will to have the reach lifted.
Think?
Yep. Oh yeah. These will go so fast.
Hanging the signs and everything, leveling the
signs. Well, no,
out.
I mean, the reach will be on its way back before. I'm saying 3 hours.
And you have both of them up and signs hanging.
No. Well, yeah. So
you got to have the reach to hang
right,
signs.
right. So we'll be. I'm gonna say
Yeah,
I'm
now
gonna
you're
say-
going back on it.
I'm gonna say 5 hours tops.
That's
You
what I
might as well
thought.
just
That's
say
what I thought.
all day.
All day, yeah. That's a work day.
Oh. Well, we'll see. So anyway, we got the reach coming tomorrow. The reach finally got here from Ramsey Towing out of Kanab. We're getting ready to stand these archways up, and hopefully it all goes smooth because you just never know. And then he brought his basket. It's going to be a lot easier to get Shane and Sean's signs on top of that archway with a basket. So here we go. Let's go see if Dakota knows what he's doing on that reach. There goes the sign. 89 Bills did an awesome job on that sign. There it goes. The log's got a natural bow in it, so we're gonna lag one end down first and then push the other end down. I think that's gonna give it enough flex. Cheech and Chong sign installation. Oh, they're struggling.
Hey.
So the sign went pretty good, other than the holes were a little small. I don't know if the plasma just didn't clean them out or what, but we had some timber lock screws, which are a little smaller, and we put a washer on them and got the thing all installed. So now we're gonna mobilize, head up to the other archway, get it set up, get the sign on. Then we'll get the SkyTrack headed back to Kanab because we're paying them by the hour. And then we'll come back and do the soldiers and the rest of the banding. And then this is gonna be a wrap. I think we'll button it up today. It's turning out pretty dang nice.
Thank you.
Mike loves it. Mike absolutely loves it. Well, we're on the tail end of these archways. They just flushed that one up. Now we just got to put the bands on, and we're gonna go cook us a couple of brats on a charcoal grill up by the pond. What do you think of this? This is a great place for a picnic, isn't it? Except our charcoal's not quite hot enough. But this ought to be this will be a perfect place to cook a brat, won't it? It's awesome. We're about ready for some brats, but this grill's a little dirty, so I found a stick. Got a little groove there, cleaning her up. But let's see. Matt thinks I'm going to screw up the bratwurst. How do you screw up a bratwurst? Well, we'll give those a few minutes. Oh, there goes the drone. Hunter must have figured the drone out. Matt left him on the grill a little too long.
I called him.
Those have been, yeah, they're a little done.
I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you guys. Everything you did.
Turned out pretty cool.
It really, really did. Like I said, beyond my expectations.